Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install an aftermarket air intake into a 2012 Volkswagen Passat 2.5 liter. This is a cheap, I think $60 intake I got on eBay. It's not the best, but it's not bad. The tools that you'll need for this is some kind of big pliers and a pretty big screwdriver. You will also need a T25 Torx bit. This is to remove the actual intake part of it, this part. There's a screw here and a screw here. I hope I don't drop this, it would suck. Alright, there's one of the screws, that's what they look like. And there's one other on this side. Alright, now that we have both the screws out, this piece can just move freely. Now you're going to take your big pliers and you're going to take off this clamp right here. Move it off onto the cover itself so that you don't lose it. And now from here you just pull the engine cover up. Sometimes it's a little hard to do. There we go. Alright. It's a little tricky. It does feel like you're breaking it, but you're probably not. Jesus. Oh yeah. You also got to disconnect this hose from the cover. Or at least try to. Jesus. Alright, there we go. So now I can just lift the cover off. This is the cover. The air filter is actually in the cover, and it's pretty restrictive. I am not very sure about that connection. It seems sketchy to me. So I've got the intake on. I had to swap out this connector for something bigger so it would fit onto my stock, whatever the part this is. It's a little jank, and it doesn't quite fit right. I might get a different pipe for it so that it is in here better, but let's see if I can close the hood. That'll be the real test to see if it's compatible. Like a glove, no problems at all. Alright, let's start her up and give her a few revs. And there we have it. Sounded pretty good. I'm very happy with that. Only thing is, without the engine cover, my engine is super clicky. I don't know why. It's kind of weird. I think it's okay. I'm pretty sure it is this right here. Pretty sure it's that is clicking. Because when it's running, it's going, you know, it's kind of wobbling around a lot. Yeah, there you have it. aftermarket universal air intake on the 2012 Volkswagen Passat. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.